Picking the right icons for a graphical user interface is a challenging task. It is common practice to entrust this task to a designer. However, the designer only represents a single perspective, and most interfaces will have many different users, all with different perspectives. Icons that appeal to the designer may not appeal to the end user. In the traditional icon design workflow, a solution to this problem is to involve more participants in the decision-making process, such as a focus group in end-user testing. But having a focus group participate in end-user testing is both time-consuming and expensive. We propose to use crowdsourcing to measure the end-user perspective and use this data to produce an icon set optimized for two properties: comprehensibility, by which we mean how well an icon is understood to represent a given concept or function, and identifiability, by which we mean how easily an icon is found among other icons. We present a system which accepts several groups of candidate icons as input and produces an optimized icon set using crowdsourcing. We break it down into 4 parts. First, several groups of similarly styled icons are accepted as input. Each group represents a distinct function or concept, like saving or deleting data. Second, the given icons are measured for comprehensibility and identifiability using crowdsourcing. Third, this data is used to assign every possible icon set combination an overall score and find the set with the highest score. Finally, the output is a final complete icon set optimized for comprehensibility and identifiability. To measure comprehensibility and identifiability, we assign Crowdworkers a series of simple selection tasks. For comprehensibility, we ask users to choose which icon they think best represents a given function or concept. For identifiability, we ask users to choose which icon they think is the most similar to a third icon. We applied our system to help select the best icons for a new interface. This mockup shows the interface we're creating. A key feature of this interface is to apply filters to video in real time. Lacking a strong iconography for video filters, we used our method to help select an optimized icon set. This icon set is intended to replace the current DICE icon placeholders in the interface mockup. We interviewed several visual artists and surveyed preferred visual performance instruments to determine the most popular live performance visual filters. For the top 9 preferred filters, we asked an icon designer to create 5 icon candidates. We then used these icons as input in our method and solicited Crowdworkers via Crowdflower to perform all of our selection tasks. Our system features a weight parameter that the user can modify to influence whether comprehensibility or identifiability should be prioritized. We experimented with this parameter to create several different icon sets. We chose 4 representative sets to evaluate in a crowdsourced user study along with a set selected by the original icon designer. The goal of our user study is to test the comprehensibility and identifiability of a complete icon set. To test comprehensibility, we show users examples of a video filter and ask them to choose the most representative icon among a full set. To test identifiability, we show users a single icon to remember and then ask them to find it again in a full set. For each of these tasks, we measure both error rate and time to completion. With one exception, the comprehensibility of our method-selected icon sets correlate with the measured error rates from our user study. Our most comprehensible set even surpasses that of the icon designer. Our method easily integrates into the existing icon design workflow and is generalizable. It can be applied to icons supporting a wide variety of functionality. Furthermore, our results indicate that there is value in harnessing crowdsourcing for the purposes of automated interface design. Please see our paper for more details.